Introduce highlight features and overview summary of AlfaBot X7 Smart Window Vacuum Cleaner with Automatic Water Spray. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. This AlfaBot X7 glass cleaning machine designed with ultrasonic water spray nozzle, you don't need to manually spray water anymore, cleans your windows more cleanly and thoroughly. The AlfaBot X7 Smart design allows it to be controlled from the palm of your hand. It comes with a full access app, allowing you to quickly and simply tailor the controls to fit your home. There is 2 ways to control this Windows vacuum cleaner. Control it with your smartphone or remote, which is easy and convenient. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Requires iOS 7.0 or higher, Android 4.3 or higher / Bluetooth 4.0 or higher. Intuitive cleaning technology guides X7 robot to clean in a fast, comprehensive, and economical way, intelligently chooses the best cleaning path. Then washable microfiber pads thoroughly scrub windows, allowing for a deep and sparkling clean. The X7 robot detects edges and uses its advanced algorithm to scrub every part of your window, including those hard-to-reach areas that you would not be able to get to on your own. Multiple safety system. X7 robot has a 4 kPa suction power to ensure the robot is firmly attached to the glass, a 30-minute backup battery in case of a power failure. It comes with a safety rope attachment feature, ensuring double protection and security for your device. Advanced edge detection technology with advanced opt-coupler sensors, window can identify the edges of glasses and change the cleaning path without bumping or falling. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.